Hello, children. In this session, we are going to discuss about one of the most common topic in our society, that is about our family. Under this chapter, we are going to discuss meaning of family, characteristics of family, types of family, and characteristics of joint family. Meaning of family. Family means the living together of husband and wife with children or without children for a long time. Or, in a easy sentence, we can say family is nothing but a group of people who are interrelated or blood related. Origin of the word family. The word family is derived from the Latin word famulus. Famulus means to serve. Let us come to know the characteristics of family. Family is universal. Family is basic unit for all social activities. Family, continuous responsibility and social accountability. Family brings up and nurturing. Family teaches social behavior. Family instruct about the society. Generation in family. Family consisted with so many generations, but here I have taken three generations. One, first generation, that is grandparents. Here I have given example of Amitabh Bachchan's family, where Amitabh Bachchan and his wife Jaya Bachchan, they become grandparents. They are the first generation. Second generation, his son and daughter-in-law, that is nothing but Abhishek Bachchan and Aishwarya Rai. They are parents, and their child become third generation. So these are the three generation example what I have taken in family. Like that, your grandparents are first generation, your parents are second generation, and you are the third generation. The family, which is consisted with father, mother, and their unmarried children. It is consisted with two generation. So that's why it is called as two generation family. Most of your family is two generation family. One, first generation, that is your parents, and second generation is yourself. The family which is consisted with the grandparents, that has become three generation family. One, grandparents, it means you are grandparents. Secondly, your parents, and third is yourself. Joint family. Joint families are very rare in urban area. Joint family is consisted with grandparents, parents, maternal uncle or paternal uncle, aunt, their children, and yourself. Most probably few are having the joint family, where the family is consisted with their parents, their grandparents, and their uncle and aunts, and their children. Let us come to know the types of family. There are different types of families with the following nature. First one, it is based on kinship, whereas second one is based on the residence of the spouse. Spouse means husband or wife. One, matrilocal residence family. Second, patrilocal residence family. Matrilocal means which is related to the mother. Patrilocal related to the father. Based on ancestry or descent. One, matrilineal family, second one, patrilineal family. It is also same. Matrilineal means related to the mother parents, and patrilineal means related to father's parent. Second one, sorry, next one is based on nature of authority. One, matriarchal family, second one, patriarchal family. Matriarchal family is nothing but where mother is the head of the family. Most probably this kind of family we can see somewhere else, but in Kerala one community is there, that is called as Nair community. Their mother is holding the authority of family, so that kind of family is matriarchal family. It means a mother opinion, mother decision, it values more. It means that that will be the final decision what she will take. That family system is called as matriarchal family system. Patriarchal family, opposite to matriarchal, that is nothing but where father is the head. Father will take all decision and he will hold the responsibility of family. Most of our families are patriarchal families. Here, this is the family, yeah, matriarchal family. I told you, no, the family in which the right of the property and successorship belongs to the women is called matriarchal family, where mother is the head. In matriarchal family, mother centered family system, right of property belongs to the women. The hereditary rights pass on daughter from the mother. In matriarchal family, in most of the coastal areas of Karnataka, and I told you that Nayars community of Kerala and some tribes in northeast India, they are following this kind of family system. Patriarchal family is nothing but a family in which father is the head is called as patriarchal family. If you come to the features of this family, father is the head of the family. Married women live in the residence of their husband, and the eldest son has a prominent role. Right are centered around the men. Men means it means the head of the family will be father, and most of this kind of families we can see in India, Greece, Rome, and China. Next is modern nuclear family. It is the best example of most of your families. Family that consisted of father, mother, and their unmarried children as members is called as modern nuclear family. This kind of family is modern family, which is only consisted with parents and their unmarried children. Here, this family is called as a modern nuclear family because it is belongs to the modern society. Most of we are having modern nuclear family, and day by day the modern nuclear family is increasing in our society because of these following reasons. That reasons are nothing but individuality, focus on individual achievement, concept of individual happiness, right of property, rapid urbanization, science and technology, and concept of equality. uh, you know that nowadays everybody want to live independent life. They don't want to get the permission of anybody, so that's why they want to become individual, it means independent. So that's why they have to lead an independent life. So it is called as individuality. Focus on individual achievement. Here, in joint families, we can say for any kind of decision, the family members sit together and they will take the decision. But here, individual person, he want to take the decision, he want to achieve something. So because of this thing, nowadays we are having more modern families compared to joint family. And definitely, concept of individual happiness. They want to live life with freeness. So that has become one of the reason for increase in number of nuclear family. And urbanization. Most of the rural area people who are working in rural area people as farmers or anything else, they started to migrate towards the urban area. It means to city, maybe because of work, or because of to get economical progress, or because of to get facilities, or because of to get good education. They started to migrate from rural area to urban area. That's why in holidays you are visiting to villages where your parents left that area and migrated towards urban area. So your joint family had splitted into modern family. This is the best example. And because of, I told you, no, they want to enjoy all the facility because science and technology has improved in urban area compared to rural. So that is also become one of the reason. And concept of equality, most probably in joint family, the male person is having the authority, and the authority or power or rights to women is very less compared to the rights of what a male is having. So even today, even women are getting educated and they want equality. So that is also become one of the reason for increase in number of modern society. Here, these are the features of small family or modern nuclear family. One, that is small in size, which is comprises with the parent and their unmarried children. Maybe three or four members are there, and simple and simple social control. Both father and mother, they are having equal right. There is less control compared to joint family, and more freedom to the members. Even here in a modern family, individual member, it means father and mother, they can take the decisions. So that is the third feature. And favor modern technology. I told you they migrated from urban rural area to urban because they want to enjoy the facilities. So that is modern technology. And complexity, it means few people are not be adjustable in joint family. That's why they have migrated to urban area and they have formed modern nuclear family. So complexity is also one feature. What is joint family? A family consisted with grandfather, grandmother, father, mother, children, grandchildren, and great grandchildren in some family extent. So this is called as joint family. More members are there. I think few are having the joint family, few belongs to joint family where their grandparents are also there, and even great grandparents are also in the family. These are the characteristics of joint family. In joint family, the members of the family, it is large in size, and coordination and cooperation. The joint family members, they coordinate and cooperate for each and everything. And third feature is nothing but same residence and same kitchen. They all live under a same roof and food prepared in the same kitchen. Believe in the same religion and practices. They believe in same religion. Usually they follow the same religion and practices. Fifth one, self-sufficient unit. They are gets sufficient in their particular work, and they are self-sufficient. So that is also fifth feature. Seniors authority and responsibility. In a joint family, the eldest member of the family holding the authority, maybe the grandfather or grandmother. So that is the sixth feature of the family. So this is about the family and the features of the family.